guys. Today we're going on a scout camp. I'm just joking, we're not doing that. So, we're trying to find Pilescreek Falls in the back of Brisbane Water National Park, pretty much near Woy Woy. So there's two ways to get into this track. One track cuts through the scout camp here. It does say don't come in here, but this is the shorter way, basically. The other option is going around to the other side and coming in. But anyway, I don't think it's really going to matter. Fuck. So, it's not too long. I think it's only probably 2Ks return or something. I haven't seen any photos of this one. I'm pretty sure I got it off the Waterfall database. So, we'll see. Yeah, this goes past the scout camp. It's pretty much, sorry, this is not Pilescreek, this is Rat Creek. My bad. Pilescreek is actually further round. You could do it from the other track. Okay, yep. So they're kind of two different creeks joining together. We'll focus on Rat Creek first. So it's pretty much right near the scout camp. It was probably found and mapped because of the scouts. If you could drive down here, you'd basically only walk about 100 metres. So anyway, we've got to do the walk. It's not far, like I said. 3K's return actually. Okay. And yeah, doesn't look massive on there, but we'll see how it goes. And yeah, then with Pilescreek, I might be leaving that to another day when I go and do Skeppers Peak, because you can kind of do one big walk and do them all together. I don't really think I have time today to do all that. I've got other things I want to do. So we're going to shoot in, do this, come out, and then I think I'm going to go to Joe Craft Falls next. I just did the Woy Woy infinity pool, and there's a little waterfall below that as well that's sitting in the bush. Not as exciting, but it's you can hear it and you can go find it. It's not that far away. And there's also a trib. So on the track that goes in the road, it's a track, but it's like this. There's another creek that's marked on Gaia. So yeah, check that video out because that was pretty cool. I walked in there. Let me just give you a heads up. The bush bash to that other trib, fucking nightmare. But I found two big waterfalls in there that people don't really fucking photograph. They only focus on the infinity pool because that has more of a obvious tracking. But anyway, so this is a big hike number 2 for the day. And then we'll try and do probably at least 4 today. Probably do after Joe Craft. I want to probably look at doing Lyrebird Falls close to Barara. And yeah, see how we go. And Pindar Falls was on the cards too, but that's going to be for another day. So that's 22K's return with another waterfall on the way for that as well. So some quite long walks to do in here. Yesterday I did 15K's return and got 2 different waterfalls as well along the Greatnorthwalk. So check their video out as well. It was pretty cool. Robson Creek Falls, quite a couple of cool little levels, and a big waterfall with a swim hole on the Mooney Creek. So there you have it. Rightio. I'm so glad we got a road here. We're not walking through that fucking tea tree scrub, because look at it. That is gnarly. That's to give you an example of what I just almost pretty much went through to get to the trib of the Woy Woy Creek Falls. Fucking jeez, this is probably even slightly worse. Anyway, I don't think there's any scout things on today because the gate was closed. But then again, they could close it and still be down here. If they are, we'll be sneaking back around and this will be left to do another day with the other part of the walk. So when you do Skeppers Peak, you can do a detour to go to this as well, but it's already quite a long walk, Skeppers Peak with Pilescreek Falls. So you could, like I say, you could add this in, but I figured do it as a separate part from here now, just to shorten it off a bit. So yeah, it's all good. See how we go. Well, it's got a name, Skeppers Falls apparently. So this is Rat Gully Creek. I just named it after the creek, and they've got their own scout name. Oh, look at this big slab of fucking rock. It's going to be fun trying to climb down this, hopefully not too bad. There were 2 cars at the scout centre, so I was like, fuck, there's probably a caretaker lives there. So well, just walk through, who cares? This is what we're here for. And we're fucking here. I'm gonna get off this rock. I could probably just jump off there. That's probably the best way unless I'm gonna walk around. First little deer. I knew the scouts would have had their fingers in this waterfall, and they have. It's not too bad, it gradually goes down, so it should be easy to get down it hopefully. Oh yeah, it's the biggest drop. Boom. There's technically one level with two little cascadey bits on top. Sweet. We'll get there in a second. I don't know what it's a pole. An old railing. Yeah, there's usually a fence there. Alright, a little tier. And this is the edge. Boom. So, we're going to work out which side we're going to get down. Let's try it this way. Let's found these sunnies on the ground. I reckon they suit me. I might keep them as hiking sunnies. I've got a nice pair of Ray-Bans, but I hate taking them hiking because I'm fucking going to lose them. Oh, they upsell this. That's upselling, folks. Ah, scouts wanting to upsell straight off here, right? Whoop. The fucking lizard just... How the fuck do you not die? Yeah, he just jumped down, look. He was here and he fucking launched it away from me and didn't know where he was going, just fucking jumped. The fact that he could survive that fucking far is nuts. Okay, there's definitely going to be a way down because they must be able to climb up somehow. Cool. I made a ladder, they got their own little path here. I started going a bit off track and then I realised I get cut on their track and their track was going to work. Didn't realise they had such a well-formed track, but we got on it. Down we go. But yeah, really straightforward. This is just probably one of the... Oh, that was a snake. Oh yeah, there's a snake. He looked like grey. He wasn't brown or black. Then again, I am just wearing polarised sunnies. I don't know now. Either way, he's about 30 centimetre and he's gone, so that's all we care about. These sunnies have warped my perception of what the colour was. Alright, so we'll go right down. Obviously here, I'm trying to work out that was going to be easier, but lots of sandstone here. Sydney, the sandstone capital. Ow! I love how I try to snap this out of my face, but yet meanwhile I get whacked by that one on the fucking shit at full force. I'm lucky we'll get out without getting caught up by the scoutmaster, but even if you do, so what? You just say, mate, look at that fucking what's his face's falls, alright? Alright, we're here. Interesting. Not a bad random drop. Got a lot of brush to get through here. Oh, fucking nothing's ever that easy. Oh, this little stabby thing in the grass got me right at the ankle. Joys off track, people. Joys off. Oh, it's another level. Wow, didn't expect that one. Sick. On we go. Let's go look at this first. A bit showered with trees and boulders. But yeah, let's get a bit closer. Alright, so we're up against it. It's a bit hard to get a perfect shot because back there you've got trees shrouding it and here it's too close. You can't really win. As for the other little drop in there, I don't know if we can crawl in, maybe we can get a better shot somehow there, but no guarantee, but we'll try. Alright, so we're up, look at the left hand here. So there's kind of a cave to the right and to the left. We're going to have a look at both of them. Let's go to the left one first. The right one's going to be a bit of a double back around to get in there. Outside, yeah, that's pretty strong. Just squeeze through this fucking crap here. Okay. Scouts would love exploring this. I was a Boy Scout. There you go. That's kind of cool. Alright, let's go look at the other side and then down the bottom level. We get another cave down there too. Alrighty, so we're in cave number 2 on the right hand side. It's pretty cool. Let's try and get down those lower falls. Kangaroo shit. Ooh, we can sneak behind the waterfall, Matthew. Grouse. Oh, that's awesome. Bonus. Behind both levels. Or levels, but tiers, I mean. I didn't expect that. Really shallow, back to the front, but yeah, right, I think, yeah. That's cool. Alright, well, it's here. Quite possible there's an overhang there as well. Alright, we'll find our way down. It's hard to know which way we'll work here. That's pretty scrubby over there. The right might be maybe the go. There was kind of a track that followed the cave line, which maybe they followed down. So if I head towards that, I might meet it and we'll find out. Right, so the left-hand stream actually still hasn't joined up yet. It's still creating its own fucking separate. Look at that. There's another one. There's the trib. Fucking calm down. There's three flows off here now. Yeah, righto. We'll head to that trib and see if we can get down that. Alright, this is our maybe a trib. I don't know what the fuck where it comes from, but the far left. There's the left and the right one we're going to get to in a second. Alright, good old tier. Well, by the way, these are actually Oakleys. I looked them up, they're worth $150 minimum, up to like 170, so score. Sorry mate, if they're yours, contact me. Alright, it's hard to get a good shot because this fucking slab blocks half of it from down there, but I got up, they were pretty close, but yeah, there is a cave, I was right. There's a fucking, just a rock overhang and that's just broken off, wow. Little cave inside that. Alright, we'll explore along there, we'll come back down and then try and even go up the other side if it's impossible. Alright, so it's pretty boulder, I'm not going to go any further, I'm pretty happy with this for the moment. However, the track that does go to, whatever I said it was, Skeppers Peak, whatever, it crosses this creek where this is the junction where this hits another creek, and between the track and where it hits the other creek there is some really tight lines. So maybe when I do the peak walk, and if it looks like it's worth jumping in, I might look at those bottom lines for a potential bottom fall down there. But I'm not going to walk all the way there from here now. Another little dribbling part on the left here. Yeah, so we'll pretty much tie this up after this. And that's some lunch. There's another cave here. Kind of rock overhang. Yeah, it's fucking cool. So much in here, eh? Alright. Let's try and climb up that way just for a different route. Well, I found this pretty open. Could be a trib or it could just be a path. Either way, this side was a bit better. Should join us back to where I think they first cut off to the other first drop. I don't know, yeah, this looks like pretty obvious to me. Well, that's it, top. Pretty much back up the top. Hope you enjoyed this journey. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified of all the new misadventures. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.